So the goal for today is to try to improve the sound of a room. And what I mean by that is we want to improve the room so that we can get better audio quality. So this is the room we're gonna work on, and right now you can hear the sound. The mic is about an arm's length from me, a shotgun mic on top of the camera, and it is quite echoey in here. So what we're gonna do first is put down a carpet to help absorb some of that sound, and then we're gonna install the wood slats. So you may want to improve your sound quality for many reasons. One could be just maybe to improve if you're watching TV or listening to music in a certain room. The second reason may be if you want to record a podcast or you create content or film videos, you just want to have a room that is well treated acoustically. So the problem is that we have a room that is empty and the audio in that room just doesn't sound good at all. It sounds very echoey. And this is happening because sound waves are just bouncing around everywhere in the room and just creating a mess acoustically. And originally I thought about getting sound panels, but they were just not aesthetic enough. But thankfully, I found out about acoustic wood slats. So I got the panels. I got 2 boxes of them, Panelux. It's actually quite heavy, so I do recommend having 2 people carry them. It seems like they give me a little gift card here. And before I continue, I do want to thank Panelux for sending these acoustic wood slats to put into this room.
Panelux brings a luxury experience for you. Okay.
So in today's video, I'm gonna go over how I installed these slats and other tips and tricks that you can do to improve the overall sound quality of your room. So these acoustic wood slats have 2 things. One thing is this felt padding at the back of it that is actually quite thick, and this is what absorbs all the sound waves. And this is important because in order to better treat your room acoustically, you need to have certain objects that sort of absorb sound waves and prevent them from bouncing around everywhere in your room. That's why you see foam boards and foam panels attached to studios or to rooms just to make them sound a little bit nicer. Now the wood slat part of the acoustic wood slat is for you to be able to get that acoustic treatment plus having a beautiful wall. So I first measured the wall, measured the height, and measured around the outlets in the wall. Because I don't have power tools, I got some help to get these wood slats cut. You can also just get a handsaw with fine teeth if you do not have an electric saw. The more tricky part was just measuring around the outlet area, so you just have to spend a little bit more time to make sure it works well there. So after getting these cut, I went to my wall and I used a stud finder to try and find studs in the wall. Unfortunately, my stud finder was not very successful at finding studs in this wall, and I was pretty sure that there were studs in the wall. So what I did instead, I got a drill with a very small drill bit, and I just did test drills to make sure there were studs in the areas that I was measuring where the screws were going to go in. And in parts where there were no studs, I pre-drilled holes for where the anchor would go. I put these on a drywall, so depending on the wall you're using, you might want to consult with someone who knows more about wall mounting stuff to wall in terms of what sort of mounting options you have available based on the type of wall you have. But this is what I did for a drywall. When you cut to your wall outlet, you make that square. Some of these slats may fall off, but that's easily fixable. You can just get adhesive, construction adhesive or something like that. All done, cleaned up the floor. Looks pretty good. So the entire installation process was actually quite easy and quite simple, even for someone who is not handy like me. So we finally got this wall installed and it looks pretty good. Now going on to a few tips that can help you improve the sound quality in your room. The first thing is to add in a rug, a big rug especially, that can cover most of your room, so that helps absorb a lot of that sound. Second thing is, like what I did, try to put stuff on the wall. And if you want to go a step further, and if you have windows in your room, you can also get curtains, so that when you close those curtains, they also help absorb that sound. And also just adding furniture room, chairs, couches, all of that is going to help as well. An arm's length from this shotgun mic on top of my camera, and this is what the audio now sounds like. There is less echo, and if you want to continue to improve the sound in this room, you could probably add more panels and more foam boards on different side of the room. But also, once you start to populate your room with furniture, that also acts as absorption of sound, and it will improve the overall quality of your room. If you would like to check these acoustic wood slats out, make sure you hit the link in the description below, and let me know in the comments below what other ways you use to improve sound quality in your room.